Understanding your back. Why stretching matters. Your lower back, a complex network of muscles, tendons, and ligaments, craves movement. Daily life, often filled with sitting and static postures, can leave these tissues stiff and tight. This tightness can manifest as pain, discomfort, and restricted mobility. Stretching helps combat this. It encourages blood flow, improves flexibility, and restores your back's natural range of motion. Think of it as resetting your back after a long day. However, not all stretching is created equal. Done incorrectly, stretching can exacerbate pain or even cause injury. This is why understanding proper form and technique is crucial. Like any skill, stretching requires practice and patience. The rewards are well worth it, a happier, healthier back that can move freely and support you in all your endeavors. Imagine this. You bend down to touch your toes, feeling a pull in your hamstrings. You might think that pushing a little further will help you become more flexible. Instead of stopping at a comfortable stretch, you push further, rounding your back in an attempt to reach your feet. You feel a strain, but you keep going, thinking it's part of the process. This, my friend, is a classic example of improper stretching. Many people make this mistake, believing that more pain means more gain. Why is this harmful? When you round your back, you put undue stress on your spinal discs, the shock absorbers between your vertebrae. These discs are crucial for maintaining the health and flexibility of your spine. Over time, this can lead to disc herniation or other back problems. Disc herniation occurs when the soft center of a spinal disc pushes through a crack in the tougher exterior casing, causing pain and discomfort. Similarly, bouncing into a stretch or holding your breath can signal danger to your body, causing muscles to tense up instead of relaxing. Bouncing can create micro tears in the muscles, leading to longer recovery times. This defeats the purpose of stretching and can lead to injury. Stretching should be about gently coaxing your muscles to lengthen, not forcing them. Remember, stretching should never be painful. It should be a calm and controlled activity that helps improve your flexibility and range of motion. A gentle pull or stretch sensation is normal, but sharp pain is a clear sign to back off. Always listen to your body and respect its limits to avoid injury and promote long-term health. The humble toe touch, a staple in many stretching routines, often falls victim to improper form. The common mistake? Sacrificing spinal alignment for the sake of reaching the toes. Instead of bending at the hips and maintaining a neutral spine, people often round their backs, putting their spines at risk. This turns a seemingly benign stretch into a recipe for disaster. Another variation gone wrong is the seated toe touch, where the back is rounded in an attempt to grab the feet. Again, this compromises the spine's natural curvature, leading to potential harm. The key takeaway? Prioritize spinal alignment above all else. If you can't touch your toes with a straight back, that's perfectly okay. There are modifications and alternative stretches that can provide a safe and effective hamstring stretch. The goal of a hamstring stretch is not to touch your toes, but to lengthen the muscles at the back of your thighs. This is crucial for improving flexibility and preventing injuries. This can be achieved without compromising your back. Maintaining a straight back is essential to avoid unnecessary strain. Instead of forcing your body into a pretzel, which can lead to injury, focus on hinging at the hips. This technique allows for a more effective stretch. Imagine your hips as hinges on a door, swinging open as you lower your torso. This visualization can help you maintain proper form. Keep your back straight, even if it means bending your knees slightly. A straight back ensures that the stretch targets the hamstrings and not the lower back. Bending your knees slightly can make the stretch more accessible and reduce the risk of injury. Another helpful tip is to engage your core muscles. This engagement provides additional support to your lower back. Think of drawing your belly button towards your spine. This action helps stabilize your back and maintain proper alignment. This helps stabilize your back and prevents excessive rounding, which can lead to discomfort or injury. Remember, a proper hamstring stretch should feel like a gentle pull along the back of your thighs, not pain in your back. If you feel pain in your back, it means you are not performing the stretch correctly. Listen to your body and stop if you feel any discomfort. Pushing through pain can cause more harm than good. By following these tips, you can achieve a safe and effective hamstring stretch, improving your flexibility and overall well-being. Beyond the toe touch, exploring safer alternatives. In this section, we will delve into a variety of stretching techniques that not only provide safety but also enhance flexibility and overall well-being. Thankfully, the world of stretching extends far beyond the toe touch. There are numerous methods that cater to different needs and fitness levels, ensuring everyone can find a suitable routine. Let's explore a few safer and equally effective alternatives. These stretches are designed to minimize the risk of injury while maximizing the benefits for your muscles and joints. First, we have the supine hamstring stretch. This stretch is particularly beneficial for those who experience tightness in their hamstrings and lower back. Lie on your back, loop a towel or strap around your foot, and gently pull your leg towards your chest. This method allows you to control the intensity of the stretch, making it ideal for beginners and those with limited flexibility. This allows for a controlled stretch while keeping your back flat on the floor. Maintaining a flat back is crucial as it helps prevent strain and ensures the stretch is effective. Next, there's the standing quadriceps stretch. This stretch is excellent for targeting the muscles at the front of your thigh, which are often neglected in regular stretching routines. Holding onto a wall for balance, grab your foot and gently pull it towards your buttock. This position not only stretches your quadriceps but also helps improve your balance and stability. This targets the front of your thigh, which can indirectly help lengthen your hamstrings. By stretching the quadriceps, you create a balance between the front and back of your legs, promoting overall leg health. And finally, the pigeon pose. This pose is a staple in many yoga practices due to its ability to deeply stretch the hip flexors and glutes. This yoga pose opens up the hips and stretches the piriformis muscle, often a culprit in low back pain. By incorporating the pigeon pose into your routine, you can alleviate tension and improve your overall mobility. Remember to modify the pose if needed, using pillows or blankets for support. Modifications are essential to ensure that the stretch is accessible and comfortable for everyone, regardless of their flexibility level. The key is to find stretches that work for your body and limitations. Everyone's body is different, and what works for one person may not work for another. It's important to listen to your body and adjust accordingly. Don't be afraid to experiment and explore different options. Trying out various stretches can help you discover what feels best for your body and keeps your routine interesting and effective. Engaging your core. The key to safe back stretches. Your core muscles act as an internal corset, stabilizing your spine and protecting it from injury. Engaging your core during back stretches is crucial for maintaining proper form and maximizing the effectiveness of the stretch. Think of it this way. Imagine lifting a heavy object without engaging your core. Your back would be vulnerable to strain and injury. The same principle applies to stretching. Before initiating a stretch, focus on drawing your belly button towards your spine without holding your breath. This activates your deep abdominal muscles, providing support for your back. Throughout the stretch, maintain this core engagement. This helps prevent your back from arching or rounding, ensuring a safe and effective stretch. Listening to your body, the importance of gradual progression. Stretching is not a competition. There's no prize for being the most flexible person in the room. In fact, pushing your body too far, too fast is a surefire way to get injured. Start slowly and gradually increase your stretch intensity and duration over time. Pay attention to your body's signals. A gentle pull or stretch sensation is normal, but sharp pain is a red flag. Remember, consistency trumps intensity. It's better to stretch for a few minutes each day than to have one marathon stretching session per week. As your flexibility improves, you can gradually deepen your stretches, but always prioritize proper form and listen to your body's limits. Beyond stretching, incorporating movement into your routine. While stretching is essential for maintaining flexibility, it's only one piece of the puzzle. To truly optimize your back health, incorporate movement into your daily routine. Think of it this way. Your body thrives on movement. Prolonged sitting or static postures can lead to stiffness, tightness, and pain. Simple activities like walking, swimming, or even just standing up and stretching every hour can make a world of difference. These activities help lubricate your joints, improve blood flow, and keep your muscles active. Consider adding activities you enjoy to your routine, whether it's dancing, gardening, or playing with your kids. The key is to move your body in ways that feel good and make you happy. The long game, consistency, and your journey to a healthier back. Improving your back health is a journey, not a destination. There's no quick fix or magic solution. It requires consistent effort, patience, and a willingness to listen to your body. Make stretching and movement a non-negotiable part of your daily routine. Just like brushing your teeth or eating breakfast, prioritize your back health. Your future self will thank you. Remember, setbacks are a natural part of the process. Don't be discouraged if you have a day where your back feels stiff or you miss a workout. Tomorrow is a new day, a fresh start to continue your journey towards a healthier, happier back.